Are you a woman over 40 struggling with knee pain? If you are, you're not alone. And I get it. I've spent many years struggling with my knee pain. So if you don't know me, I'm Karin from Karin Yoga Life. I'm a certified yoga teacher and wellness coach. And today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 super important things that you need to know, that you need to be doing to manage your knee pain. So the first thing is you want to be strengthening the muscles supporting the knees. So that means the quads, the hamstrings, the calves, the feet, even your core muscles. The stronger they are, the more you will be supporting the knees, taking pressure off them and helping you to feel better. So you want to be strengthening these muscles as much as you can to help to relieve your knee pain. The second thing you want to be doing is you want to be gently stretching the muscles supporting the knees. So quads, hamstrings again, even your feet, your calves. You want to be stretching these muscles so that they are flexible and mobile, which will also help to relieve knee pain. A lot of times knee pain is a result of misalignment of the muscles. So your quad muscles may not be aligned properly, pulling on the knees, and that can cause knee pain. So second thing you want to be doing is stretching the muscles supporting your knees. And then the third thing is super simple. You want to keep moving. You want to be doing gentle, low impact movement, things like walking, yoga, swimming, things that keep you moving, keep the joint moving, but don't put a lot of pressure and tension on your knees. So yoga is a great one. As I said, walking is great. You want to keep moving. Movement nourishes our knees. So just to recap, the 3 things you want to be doing: strengthening the muscles supporting your knees, stretching the muscles supporting your knees, and just keep moving. Any kind of gentle movement will do. So I hope this helps. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.